Guys, I want to do a quick review of these Yupik macadamia nut pieces. They say pieces, but they are mostly halves. These are a great keto-friendly, low-carb, high-fat snack. I love macadamia nuts. It's a big 2.2-pound bag. They came very fresh. I ordered these November 2025, and the best by date is March 2027. Also says their origin, that they came from Kenya. It is important to note that this is just macadamia nuts. I'm pretty sure they're roasted. I don't see where it says that, but they seem like they're roasted. Maybe they're not though. I'm not sure, but they're not salted. So if you want salted macadamia nuts, don't get these. But if you're looking for unsalted ones, we will go through these. I love macadamia nuts. So these pieces, they're perfect for putting in like cookies. And again, if you're on a keto diet, 23 grams of fat in a third a cup with only 1 gram of carb into protein. So they are a great high fat, low carb snack. I love macadamia nuts. I felt like this was a great buy. Super happy with it. But yes, if you're looking for salted macadamia nuts, this is not what you want, but something to put in your baked goods or an unsalted snack, these are perfect. Hope that helps you know if it's something you want to buy.